Hey guys, welcome back to Target Developer. So guys, here is Shivam. So today we are starting the Angular 10 interview question. This is part 1. So in this video, we will cover these are the questions. What does single page application really mean? Ajax versus Angular. What is ng template in Angular? What is DOM? What is the difference between HTML attribute and DOM property in Angular? So guys, we are taking one by one question here. So let's start guys. So guys, first we taking a question. What does single page application really mean? So guys, in Angular, index.html is the only file served by the server. Load your page only once, all the navigation will happen within the same single page, like an Ajax. So guys, here we are serving the only one file to the server. That is the main reason why we are calling a single page application. Next question, Ajax versus Angular guys. Ajax is a way for JavaScript to request data from a server without refreshing the page or blocking the application. Angular is a JavaScript framework which is made for building large single-page web applications. Angular is also fetch the data without refreshing the page, but Angular can achieve other things as well, like separating your data, the function perform on that data, and how the user sees the data guides. Next question: what is ng template in Angular, guys? ng template is a virtual element and its contents are displayed only when it is needed, based on the conditions. ng-template should be used along with the structure directives like ngif, ngfor, ng-switch. When you use the structure directive in Angular, we will add a prefix asterisk before the directive name. This asterisk is a shorthand notation for ng-template. When Angular encounters with the asterisk symbol, we are informing Angular saying that it is a structure directive and Angular will convert directive attribute to ng-template element. Next question. What is DOM? The DOM stands for Document Object Model. When a browser loads a web page, then the browser creates a document object model for that page. We can say that DOM is an API. We can use Angular to access and manipulate the HTML using their corresponding DOM objects. We can say that DOM contains the HTML elements as objects, their properties, methods, and events. What is the difference between HTML attribute, DOM property, and Angular? The HTML attributes, DOM properties are two different things. Attributes are defined by HTML, whereas properties are defined by the DOM. Attribute initialize DOM properties. Once the initialization completes, the attribute job is done. Property values can change, whereas the attribute values can never be changed. Angular binding works with the properties event, not with the attribute. So guys, I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.